Hey you and welcome to this video, and today I will show you exactly how to fix the TradingView chart is not moving. So first of all, what we need to do is refresh this page. So we click right there and do reload or F5 on your keyboard, and then we are sure that we have a new browser right here. Then the problem, what it's most of the time people not understanding, that when you're clicking here and have time standing on 12 months, so right here, it's a little, no, not little, this time frame is too massive and too big to see the chart moving. So please make sure that you click on time and do something like 10 seconds, and then we will show you this on Bitcoin USD. So you will see here that the market is open, and then you can see the candle moving right there. Then the other way, what we can do is right mouse click and click on reset chart view. Most of the time he will fix it and then it's done. Then the other way, what we can do is we can zoom in and zoom out with or a scrolling wheel of our mouse. So zoom in as much as possible, and then right now you can see the candles moving. Then the last step what we can do is right mouse click and go to settings, and then from here we can select a template. Now I just created this template, so for me it's not possible right now, but I will show you exactly what to do. Click on apply defaults, select this to red, select this to green, and then we can click here on OK. Go to this and select candles, and then right now it's back at normal, and this is most of the time the solving problem, and to be honest, most of the time it's just changing the time. So this is how you can fix a moving chart on TradingView. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.